Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by adding your account. Open Outlook and tap Add Account. Enter your email and password, then choose account type, Microsoft, Google, or a map/pop. If prompted, accept permissions and multi-factor prompts so mail, calendar, and contacts sync. Once done, make sure sync frequency and notification settings are set to your preference in Settings. This step connects everything, so verify folders appear, and the focused inbox toggles are where you want them before moving on. Next, organize messages and calendar events to save time. Turn on Focused Inbox, then customize swipe actions, archive, delete, or schedule to process email fast. Create folders and set simple rules for incoming mail so repetitive triage is automatic. Connect calendars from your accounts, set the default calendar, and adjust event notifications and travel time. Once these are configured, your daily workflow becomes predictable and efficient, reducing clutter and ensuring important meetings and messages surface immediately. Finally, compose confidently. Use templates, add a signature, schedule sends, and attach files from cloud storage. Secure the app with AppLock and enable multi-factor authentication so your account stays protected. If messages stop syncing or you see errors, sign out and sign back in, re-enter your password, check network and permissions, and clear the app cache. If that fails, remove and re-add the account. Most issues resolve with a reconnect, so try that before diving deeper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.